The attorney for Megan Boswell is now requesting a change of venue for her murder trial.
Today, Boswell was arraigned on 19 charges, including 2 counts of felony murder in the death of her daughter, Evelyn. She pleaded not guilty to all of the charges. The Sullivan County DA says the state will decide whether to seek the death penalty, and that will be done by December.
Boswell's attorney told Kaylin Kleck today he's filing for a venue change because of media coverage.
Right. Megan Boswell's attorney motioned for a change of venue at her arraignment this morning. This would be to keep a jury impartial if her case goes to trial. Megan Boswell's attorney, Brad Sproles, entered a not guilty plea on her behalf this morning. The 19-year-old is indicted on 19 charges, with 2 counts of murder against her 15-month-old daughter, Evelyn.
You know, she's very serious about it and understands the gravity of what she's facing.
Sproles motioned for a change of venue during her arraignment. He said this would be to find a jury uninfluenced by the media coverage that's been on Megan since the early days of the Evelyn Boswell Amber Alert investigation.
The amount of media coverage that a case has received, and I think that it's clear that that's the case in this matter. And what I've seen in the past is you look at surrounding counties first, and if the same press coverage has been in those counties, you start looking further out. So I expect we'll have to go further out than those surrounding counties.
Sullivan County District Attorney General Barry Staubis said a jury might then be selected out of another county.
There's a number of things could happen. You could try the case in another county, or you can bring the jury back up.
A judge will grant or deny this request on December 3rd. The date of Megan's next status hearing. On this day, the state will also announce if they'll seek enhanced punishment against her, which could mean life without parole or the death penalty. Gene Scott, an attorney based in Jonesboro, says change of venue requests aren't often granted.
It is very rare because it's only used if you can't get a fair jury in the county where the case happened.
But in the case of Megan Boswell, Scott thinks it could happen.
I think there's a strong chance it'll be granted in this case based on the amount of publicity that I've seen in the case, so I think it would be very likely that it could be granted.
Sproles also filed a bill of particulars motion in court today. He told us afterwards that this is to get more clarification from the state on parts of Megan Boswell's aggravated child abuse and neglect charges. Live in Kingsport, Kaylin Cluck, News Channel 11.
Kaylin, thank you. We have a full history and a timeline of this case posted right now on WJHL.com.